Nestled on top of Etobicoke's most distinguished streets, there exists a rare offering. A residence that redefines luxury living, overlooking the iconic St. George's Golf and Country Club, host of the Canadian Open, and one of the most celebrated championship courses in the country. I am Callie Byer with Hammond International Properties, and this is the Edenbrook Collection. Expansive principal rooms unfold effortlessly, each one framing breathtaking views of rolling fairways. At the heart of the home, a chef-inspired kitchen designed for both everyday living and exceptional entertaining. A private retreat awaits, where the primary suite becomes a sanctuary, complete with a spa-inspired ensuite designed to restore and rejuvenate. Step outside and experience a seamless connection to nature, where your backyard extends into one of the most prestigious golf landscapes in Canada. This home is a collection of everything a discerning life demands and everything it deserves.